did about doing this. What you want to know about this was messed up. Why? Because I forgot I had my earpiece in. So the sound didn't match up with my lip movement. You know, I looked like an old school kung fu movie. All right. So what this is sea moss. And what I did was basically took it out the package. I even tasted it. It was salty. You know, made a joke about, I know how females feel. You know, it was a good video, I think. But it was messed up because of the voice and the lip movement did not match up at all. So what I did was put it in here and, you know, soaked it in spring water. It's not, you gotta soak it for about 24 hours. So right now it's about 9 o'clock a.m. So it's not for 24 hours yet. The water is very cloudy, and this is what it looks like right now. Let me show y'all what it looks like, or what it looked like just a little bit ago. So let me pause it. All right, I'm back. So again, this is what it looks like now. And this is what it looks like when it's dry. Sorry for the dirty fingernail. Nope, don't put that one back in there. So I'm going to go ahead and basically rub these together, rub my fingers over them, make sure all the salt is off of it, and clear the water out and put fresh spring water in for the duration of the 24 hours. All right, be right back. All right, so this is what I came up with after rubbing it and making sure no salt is on it. I don't know if it had anything to do with it the way it feels now, but I live in Minnesota, and well, it's like negative, right now it's like -5 degrees. So I had it next to the window. It was the only place, or one of the only places that I could find where, you know, young kid can get to it and, you know, spill it, mess it up, and all that stuff. So the water was cold, really, really cold. So, you know, I was told that it's supposed to feel really soft. And it do feel soft, but not as soft as I thought it would be due to the information that I got. So, all right. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with the water. This water is room temperature, which is way warmer than what it was. So I'm going to just, like I said, I'm going to continue the process for the soaking of the 24 hours. All right. And like I said in the other video that you will never see, is that people soak it in like the still water. But you know me, I'm thinking like, well, if spring water is good for you, why soak it in distilled water when you know you're gonna ingest it, you're gonna put it in your body. So if you're not gonna drink distilled water, why would you soak your food in distilled water? So here it is, spring water, and I'm gonna let that soak. Make sure everything is down there, and we'll see. All right.